Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Monday. So if you guys are new to my channel, usually on Mondays I do a savory recipe, but this week is actually a little different because this week is Hello Kitty week on my channel. Oh my gosh. So if you guys have been subscribed for a couple years, you guys might remember theme week, where I allocated like a specific theme to each week, and like all the recipes I made were about that theme. I haven't done that recently, honestly. I don't know why. Comment down below if you want the back. But anyways, this week we are doing theme week for the most exciting reason. So this week is going to be all Hello Kitty recipes. And it's actually because I'm working with PB Teen, not for this video, but for the next 3 videos, because they have a Hello Kitty collection coming out, and like, oh my god, I'm so excited. So this whole week, you're going to be getting a ton of Hello Kitty content. I'm so excited. So instead of doing a savory recipe today, since I have a couple other savory recipes coming with PB Teen throughout the week, I figured I'd make a Hello Kitty cake because why not? It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is my favorite vanilla cake base recipe and my favorite vanilla buttercream recipe. They're like fail safe if you want a good cake. Use this. Oh my gosh. So let's get started. Okay, so first you want to make the cake, and this base that I'm using is my favorite vanilla cake recipe. I'll have the full batter recipe linked in the cards right here. But what you want to do once you've made the batter is divide it into 3 bowls and dye 1 bowl red and 1 bowl pink, and then leave the remaining bowl like the white cake batter color, and then just add them together in the pan and give them a little swirl with a knife to create a gorgeous marble pattern. Then make that 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until the skewer inserted into the center comes out clean, and then cool completely. Then once they're nice and cool, you want to slice the tops and bottoms off the cakes to smooth the surface and just to remove any excess browning. Then stack 3 of the cakes and spread some buttercream between each layer. So this buttercream is also included in the vanilla cake recipe that I'll have linked in the cards right here. So if you guys want that recipe as well, definitely just check out that link. Then you want to coat the cake in a thin layer of buttercream, and this is called a crumb coat. And what it's going to do is it's going to catch any excess cake crumbs so that you don't get any crumbs on the outside of your cake. Then use the remaining layer of cake to make 2 ears, and then just stick them onto the cake with some straws to kind of like help stick them into the cake. And coat them in a thin layer of buttercream as well. Then you want to chill the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes. Place the remaining buttercream in a piping bag fitted with a small star-shaped piping tip, and pipe little dollops literally all over the cake. This doesn't take as long as you think, don't worry. Then create Hello Kitty's bow with some red fondant, and I actually have a tutorial on how to make the bow tomorrow, so you need to stay tuned. And you want to place it just in front of her left ear. Then just create the eyes and whiskers with some black fondant and a nose with some yellow fondant. And I used to be totally intimidated by fondant, but it's just like Play-Doh. You mold it into whatever you like. It's so easy. So I'll have my favorite fondant, which is made by Wilton, linked in the description box below. You can buy it on Amazon. It's just so easy. Oh my gosh. And yeah, then you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for Hello Kitty week. I am so excited, oh my gosh. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on the next bunch of Hello Kitty videos. The week will end with a Hello Kitty haul. I ordered a Hello Kitty toaster. I'm so excited, oh my gosh. So yeah, if you want to see those videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys tomorrow for an all-new video. Bye!